Hello everyone. So here in this problem we have to evaluate limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole raised to 5 minus 1 plus 5x plus 10x square whole upon 5x cube minus 4x raised to 5. Now before starting the solution, if you will observe the given function, then it is algebraic function, and whenever we have algebraic function in limit, we start with direct method. So here we'll start with the direct method. For that I will assume this given limit as L, that is x tends to 0 1 plus x raised to 5 minus now by direct method we'll get L as 1 plus 0 whole raised to 5 minus 1 plus 0 plus 0 upon 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0. So this will become 1 plus 0, that is 1 raised to 5 1 minus 1 upon 0, and that is 0 upon 0. So whenever we get 0 upon 0 by direct method, we say direct method fails. So here direct method fails, and whenever direct method fails, we search for some other method to get the solution. Now for that reason I will rewrite the given limit . Now here if you will observe the numerator, then in the numerator we have 1 plus x raised to 5. So we can find out the 1 plus x raised to 5 by using a binomial theorem, and after that we'll cancel the terms which are opposite in sign from the numerator, and by doing the simplification we can get the value. So what is binomial theorem? So let me tell you. So the binomial theorem is a plus b raised to n is equal to a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2, so on it will go till b raised to n. And the value of nc1 we can find out by using the formula ncr, that is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So now suppose we want to find the value of 5c1. So by using this formula, n is 5, r is 1, so we will get 5 factorial in numerator. In denominator r is 1, so it will become 1 factorial, and 5 minus 1, that is 4 factorial, and 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 1 factorial is 1, 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Hence by cancelling these terms, that is 4, 3, 2 and 1, we will get 5 as value. So the value of 5c1 is equal to 5. So by using this formula we will find the different values like nc1, nc2, nc3 and so on, and we will apply this formula of binomial in the first term. So let's start with it. So therefore 1 plus x raised to 5 we have. So if you will observe this, then a is 1, b is x, and this n is 5. So by substituting the values, a raised to n, that is a is 1, so 1 raised to 5, because here n is 5. Next we have nc1, so n is 5, so we will get 5c1. A raised to, a is 1, so 1 raised to n minus 1, so that means 5 minus 1 is 4, so 1 raised to 4. Next b raised to 1, here b is x, so x raised to 1, plus nc2, so n is 5, so we will get 5c2. Next a raised to n minus 2, n is 5, so 5 minus 2 3, a is 1, so 1 raised to 3. b square, b is x, so x square. Now if you will observe this pattern, then after 5c1 we are getting 5c2, so the next term will be 5c3. Similarly, the power of 1 is decreasing, that is 1 raised to 5, then 1 raised to 4, then 1 raised to 3, hence here we will get 1 square. Similarly, the power of x is increasing, so here x raised to 1, x raised to 2, so here it will become x raised to 3. Next term will be, after 5c3 we will get 5c4. The power of 1 is decreasing, so after 1 square we will get 1 raised to 1, and the power of x is increasing, so after x cube we will get x raised to 4. Similarly 5c4, then we will get 5c5, 1 raised to 1 will become 1 raised to 0, and x raised to 4 after increasing will become x raised to 5. And as we have reached our n, will stop here. So by solving this we will get 1 raised to 5 is 1 plus 5c1, as we got here 5c1 is 5, so 5, 1 raised to 4 is 1, x raised to 1 is x, then 5c2, so we will find it over here. So 5c2 equals to 5 factorial upon 2 factorial and 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial. So I am using that formula. Now 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1 and 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So by cancelling the terms, here we will get 5 into 4, that is 20, and 20 upon 2 is 10. So the value of 5c2 is 10. 1 cube is 1, then x square, 5c3. Now to find out the 5c3, I will use one more property, and that property is ncr is equal to ncn minus r. Now see here, we got the value for 5c2 here, so it means n is 5 and r is 2. So by this property we'll get 5, that is n, c, n minus r, so 5 minus 2, that is 3. It means the value of 5c2 will be always equal to value of 5c3. Hence the value of 5c3 is same as 5c2, that is 10. 1 raised to 2, that is 1, x cube. Next 5c4. Now for 5c4 also I will use the same property. So 5c4, so here n is 5, r is 4, will be equal to n5, and this r is 4, so 5 minus 4, that is 1, and we already got the value for 5c1. So value of 5c1 is 5, hence the value of 5c4 is also 5. So we will get 5 here, 1 raised to 1 is 1, and this will become x raised to 4. Next 5c5, which is 1, 1 raised to 0 is 1, and x raised to 5. So we got the expansion of 1 plus x raised to 5. And now I will substitute this expansion in the limit here in the numerator and will simplify this. So therefore L will become limit x tends to 0. The expansion is 1 plus 5x plus 10x square plus 10x cube plus 5x raised to 4 plus x raised to 5. Next we have minus of 1 plus 5x plus 10x square. So minus 1 plus 5x plus 10x square whole upon 5x cube minus 4x raised to 5. So I am just copying down the terms. So therefore, if you will observe here, then due to this minus sign, this 1 will become minus 1. So we can cancel this positive 1 and minus 1, that is negative 1. Next this 5x will become negative. So I am again cancelling plus 5x and minus 5x. Similarly, this 10x square will become negative. So minus 10x square and 10x square will be cancelled. So hence we will get L as limit x tends to 0, 10x cube plus 5x raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 upon 5x cube minus 4x raised to 5. Therefore, from numerator we can take x cube common. We'll get 10 plus 5x plus x square. From denominator we can take x cube common. We'll get 5 minus 4x square. After this, cancelling x cube from numerator and denominator, we'll get limit x tends to 0, 10 plus 5x plus x square upon 5 minus 4x square. And now in this term we can apply the direct method, and therefore by direct method we will get 10. Since x is 0, this term will become 0, last term is also 0. Here we will get 5 minus this term will become 0. So here we have 10 in the numerator and 5 minus 0, that is 5 in the denominator, and 10 upon 5, that is L is equal to 2. So the value of this limit is 2. Thank you.